Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your wealth strategies with Rowe Price, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current financial situation. Evaluate your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Next, define your financial goals. Consider what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. Research the basics of investing and wealth strategies. Focus on concepts like asset allocation and diversification. Visit the Rowe Price website to explore their resources. Look for educational materials designed for beginners. Sign up for any webinars or tutorials offered by Rowe Price. Create an account on their platform to access investment tools. Begin by exploring the various investment options available. Consider mutual funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts. Evaluate your risk tolerance to make informed decisions. Start small with your initial investments. Consider establishing an automatic investment plan. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance. Stay informed about market trends and economic news. Reassess your financial goals periodically. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Utilize Rowe Price's research and insights to guide your strategy. Engage with their customer service for personalized advice. Continuously educate yourself on wealth management strategies. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment. Patience and consistency are key to growing your wealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.